Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So if you are new here, we do skincare trials, test out different products that combat breakouts mainly, and I like to share my full experience with you guys. So today we're going to be starting yet another skincare trial. I have a crazy package that we're going to unbox here together. We're going to be trying some LED light therapy. I've tried out a bunch of LED therapy in the past, but this one is really cool. It looks to me like a professional treatment that you can do from the comfort of your home, so we're really going to be putting this to the test. If you want to see all of that, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright, so let's start by opening this product up. This is from DMark Q. They're a skincare brand based out of the Netherlands that focus around devices, at-home devices that help with acne and breakouts. I'm just on their website right now and they do feature 3 different products. They have the tiny Zip Zapper, which looks like a little handheld device that you can individually zap certain pimples. We also have the reoccurring acne distributor, which honestly looks like a phone, and this you just hold up to the acne. And the product I'll be trying out today is the Big Bright Acne Buster. Check this out. So it looks kind of like an iPad or like a little MacBook, and you open it up and we have all these LED lights, but still nice and compact, which I appreciate. The package also comes with a little bag. This is nice because you can carry it, and then a little back pocket for the rest of the accessories. And we have the USB charging cord right here. You can just plug this into like your phone charger or into your laptop. It also comes with some glasses. Of course, you want to be protecting your eyes when doing this type of LED treatment. So before we try this out, let's get into some product information. So this product retails for $349 USD. It claims that it can be a product to bring the spa at home to get clearer, glowing skin all over for a powerful face and body treatment. So this is also called like their Bacne treatment, since technically you could use it on other parts of your body. It's supposed to clear acne, fade discoloration, and brighten the skin in 6 minutes. Whoa. It's powered with a whopping 224 medical grade red and blue LEDs. And this is supposed to keep acne prone skin under control, whether you're dealing with a full face of breakouts, bacne, buttony even. This foldable panel is supposed to really help your skin. So that all sounds very interesting to me. Really, they're claiming that this is the ultimate like treatment, that this is a spa facial at home and with those medical LED lights. So that's really cool. If you don't know what LED therapy is, it's actually a concept I'm very interested in. So if you don't know, blue light is really great for treating acne prone skin as it kills the acne bacteria or P. acne. It's supposed to help balance the skin and the sebum production. It's supposed to help with clogged pores, inflammation, irritation, dryness, all of that. So really everything that comes along with acne. And then we do have the red light as well. And this is more supposed to help with collagen production. It's really great for acne scarring, wrinkles, and anything to kind of replenish the skin. It's also going to help with inflammation, redness, and overall even your skin tone out long term. On their website, it basically says if you have breakouts all over your face or your back, butt, shoulders, décolleté, and you're looking for a quick solution, this is what you should go to. And if you're also looking for an acne treatment that's not like a leave-on product or a serum that's going to get all over your clothes, and it's not as effective, so they really claim that this is really going to help, since LED therapy is a very known technology to help with such acne conditions. It says here that most users do notice an immediate improvement in skin texture after the first treatment, but you should be using them consistently over time. Here's what I'm dealing with right now. I have some big hormonal acne around my chin here, up in here, and some small ones over there. So that's really what we're going to be trying to tackle with this device. I just waited for this to charge up, and now this does have a little blinker light at the top here that when you're charging it, it'll indicate if it needs more time. It was green, which means fully charged, so we're all good to go. I have removed the plastic. So I just cleansed my skin, so we're good to go. My skin is dry now. I'm going to go ahead and apply the protective goggles. Open this up. Find the little button here. It says to hold it about like right up to the face or about 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna do that. And the device should turn off automatically by itself in 6 minutes. So see you guys then. All right guys, so the device has turned off now. That's how you know that the treatment is over. The device does give you an indication of how much time is left. It actually beeps at every minute. At first I was like, why is it beeping? But it does beep at every minute, so then you kind of know what stage you are with your treatment. I just put this on and listened to a podcast, so I wasn't just sitting here. The only thing I will say is, since you have to hold it so close to your face, your hands do kind of get tired. So what I did is I kind of rested it against my chest and put my face down into it like this, so I wasn't really like just holding it like this. So that's the only thing so far, whereas with a mask, you know, you don't have to really hold it, you just kind of sit there. That's kind of the difference I've seen. My skin feels nice though. It doesn't look irritated at all or red, so that's really good to see. I think I'm going to use this mask for 4 weeks to really see the best results I can. So this is week 1. This is the first test, and I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, a little bit of an update. It has been 1 week since I've been using the DMARC Q LED, and I have been using it every day this past week, and I wanted to update you on what my skin is looking like. So all the breakouts that we started with, you know, this big one right here, and some of the other ones that were on my chin, this one around my mouth here, those have gone down. Like this one's completely flat now, just the scar is left. This morning I did wake up with some hormonal breakouts. Since my acne is hormonal, it does depend on like my menstrual cycle and stuff, so I'm not too worried about those since I'm used to getting those, but I'm curious to see how this mask can help kind of take those down over this next week, and if it'll kind of help the healing process kind of be accelerated as opposed to how they would heal normally. It hasn't been irritating or sensitizing my skin, so that's a good sign. And I do think it is helping with some of my breakouts. So I'm going to continue using this, of course. This is just 1 week out of 4, so I will check in with you guys next week. Alright guys, so I just finished using the DMARC Q face mask, and I wanted to give you guys a bit of an update since it has been 3 weeks that I've been using it. My skin's actually doing pretty good. The only active I have right now is this hormonal one right here, but I don't feel like this device is giving me any sensitivity, irritation, and even using it every day, like I'm not finding that my skin is super sensitive, and I haven't really experienced any like bigger breakouts this week, so that's good. And I will update you guys next week. Alright guys, so I just finished taking off my makeup as well as cleansing my face, and the next step after that is using the DMARC Q mask. It is officially week 4, which is the end of the trial. Put the goggles on, get the mask actually on, and I'm going to do the 6-minute treatment. Alright guys, so now I am all done the treatment, and it is time for me to talk about my final thoughts on the DMARC Q Big Bright Acne Buster. So overall, it has been 4 weeks since I've been using this product, and I want to talk about my skin a little bit. So I feel like this product kind of helped, you know, in addition to my regular skincare routine. I am personally a big fan of LED light therapy, and for me the biggest issue when it comes to that is finding a device that actually is, you know, clinical grade and is actually powerful enough to actually give you results. And one thing that kind of makes me feel like, you know, this is enough is because you do have to wear glasses with it to make sure your eyes are protected. The glasses are completely opaque, you cannot see anything through them, and that kind of tells me that it is enough protection. Therefore, this has to be strong enough to be working. As far as results go, you know, I feel like my skin has improved these past 4 weeks. We started off this video with a bunch of hormonal acne, which has gone down. Right now, I am experiencing some maskne, which I just got a few days ago, but usually that goes down pretty quickly. And I feel like using a product like this, maintaining that treatment every single day can be helpful. As far as the actual treatment itself, I do like that it indicates how far along into the treatment you are. For me, whenever I've used another mask, I've always been like, okay, how long do I have? So the fact that this gives you a 1-minute indicator at each minute up until 6 minutes is amazing. So it counts up. It will ding once, then twice, then 3 times, and so on and so forth till you're done the 6-minute treatment. I found that really helpful. It definitely, you know, improved that consumer experience for me. The only thing I would say is a little different is that I have to actually hold this up to my face instead of having a mask directly on. So sometimes my arms would get a little tired, but I found what worked best was leaning back into like a pillow and kind of resting it against my chest, so I could just sit there. I'd put on like a podcast or a YouTube video and just listen to the audio. But then again, you know, having this like a panel and using those goggles versus a mask that maybe doesn't have that eye protection kind of tells me a little bit more on how powerful these lights are in here. You know, we had that blue and red light combination, which I really enjoy, and overall it's definitely a cool product. You could even like stand this up on a desk and kind of lean your face into it, so you definitely feel like you're doing a in-office treatment from the comfort of your home. So that's really cool. As far as cost, you know, I definitely think this is worth it. It is a bit more pricey compared to other skin treatments, but then when you compare it to in-office treatments, you know, this is something that's going to be at home. It will last you. You can use it every single day rather than going in to an office, which of course in-office treatments can be more powerful, but that comes with a greater cost and going frequently. Whereas if you have something like this at your home, you're more likely to use it every single day for those more prolonged results. The fact that this has so many LEDs, you know, 224, and they're all medical grade, does give me a lot of confidence to say that this can definitely help your skin, you know, helping with that acne and scarring, so everything that kind of comes with acne prone skin. I didn't find that this irritated my skin. I didn't get too sensitive from using it every single day for 6 minutes. I like that it is a short treatment, you know, you're not spending 20 minutes doing this. I think 6 minutes is a good amount, and it's kind of a nice way to kind of relax at the end of the night, and kind of take like 6 minutes to kind of think about nothing, just kind of sit there with your eyes closed. And I really found it like a therapeutic kind of wind down for me at the end of the day. So overall, those are my thoughts on this product right here and how my 4 weeks of using it went. So DMarQ did offer a partnership for this video and I accepted, and they are also offering me a 12% discount code to give to you guys so you can save some money on this device. So if you use Lavinia12 at checkout, you can get 12% off your purchase. Now I also have some other very exciting news. You can actually get your own POP, reoccurring acne disruptor device, for free through a giveaway that I am going to be doing with DMarQ. So there's only a few things you have to do to enter. First, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. My username is Lavinia Rasanda. Then also make sure to go follow DMarQ on their IG as well. And if you go to their account, you will see a short snippet of this video right here, which you will need to comment under. After you've fulfilled those 3 requirements, you are ready to go and entered to win your own device. And we will be picking a winner randomly on October 1st, so I cannot wait for one of you to get your own device. But overall, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I will link this product down below in the description if you are interested, along with all my other skincare trials. And if you want to see more of my content, I am now a weekly host on the Acne channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more daily content at Lavinia Rasanda. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters.